So fireworks set to begin in Parliament. Discussion on the President's address will take place tomorrow. Ahead of the debate, India bloc leaders and BJP leaders are holding parallel meetings. Top opposition leaders are meeting at Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence, and BJP leaders have met at JP Nadda's residence. JP Nadda is also to meet 70 BJP MPs in the national capital. So, battle lines very clearly being drawn in Parliament because the big debate starts in Lok Sabha tomorrow. And I quickly want to once again bring in Mosmi Singh and Piyush for more on this. Mosmi, all set for fireworks in Parliament. The opposition, Rahul Gandhi perhaps set the stage when he said that the opposition this time is there in larger numbers, significant voice of the opposition that the country will have to hear.
Right, and you know the underlining fact that the Congress is pushing forward in Rahul Gandhi's opening speech yesterday was that he said it's not about how much business is transacted in the House, it's about consensus building and how much the voice of the people is heard in the House. So instead of bulldozing business transactions and bills, it would be better that the government gives a hearing to the opposition. And that's why, you know, we are at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence where the leaders, floor leaders of the Lok Sabha and the Raj Sabha are meeting second time round in the past 3 days. Day before yesterday they met yet again, and at that time LOP was announced, and now today the floor leaders are meeting because remember, Gaurav, tomorrow they will be replying to the President's address, and thereby the Congress trying to do its homework well wants a single line of attack at the government to make its point as far as, you know, being the voice of the people is concerned.
So, is this a strategy of the Congress party? Is there a common strategy that's being made of the entire India alliance? How is that strategy coming up so that 234 members or 235 members are heard in one voice? What's the strategy, Mosmi?
See, clearly, Gaurav, all the floor leaders of the India bloc are present here. We saw Sharad Pawar, Sanjay Singh, Supriya Sule, Sandeep Pathak, and all from the RJD, the floor leaders coming in. So it's going to be a joint strategy. Now there's always perhaps a black sheep, you can say, or there's always a different line being towed by some of the partners. To be precise, it's the Trinamool Congress. Remember, they weren't really clear about whether they would. They weren't very clear about whether they would support the India bloc candidate for the Speaker's post. At that time, they said that the Congress had taken a unilateral decision. So perhaps Congress trying to build a consensus, not trying to show that we are the big brother and you follow what we decide. Okay. It's more about sitting across the table, talking and devising a strategy. Interestingly, Gaurav, there's been a beehive attack here at Mr. Kharge's residence, and all the media personals really, we just ran out. But, you know, on a lighter note, they were saying that perhaps the bees were sent from the opposition or from the ruling camp. So that's the kind of tussle we're also seeing in the Parliament as well.
Okay, so let's see who has a bee in the bonnet and keep tracking that story. I will come to you for more on this. Clearly, the Trinamool Congress is very, very clear. They need to be consulted. They will come on board, but they have significant numbers, and proud of that fact.